Okay guys, as you can see, this is column footing for this project, and each column footing size is 1 by 1 meter, and depth of this footing is 1.5 meter, and we will use column size in this footing 30 by 30 centimeter, means 1 by 1 feet the column size. Okay, and footing size is 1 by 1 meter and depth is 1.5 meter, and each column footing size is same, right? So you can see this. Okay guys, this is RCC box, reinforcement box for column footing, and the column will become on the center of this box. Okay, so and next you can see here this one. Okay, it will become same like this. Okay, so main bar and distribution bars center to center distance is here just 6 inches. Okay guys, this is column, and the size of the footing is 1 by 1 meter, and depth of this footing is 1.5 meter. But remember one point, that the column should be on the center of this footing. Okay, so this is on center, right? And total numbers of steel bar are 8 here, and each dia is 16 millimeter, and here just 2 bars are 12 millimeter, this one. Okay, so remember that the column should be on the center of the footing, and size of the footing is 1 by 1 meter, but remember depth of the footing is 1.5 meter, right?